Thailand, 태국, Mongolia, Mongol, Sri Lanka, Surilanka, Cambodia, Cambodia, the Philippines, Philippines, Pakistan, Pakistan, China, Chunguk, Vietnam, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Bangladeshi, Nepal, Nepal, East Timor, Dong Timoru, Indonesia, Indonesia, Kyrgyzstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Uzbekistan, Myanmar, Myanmar, the Republic of Korea, Hanguk,